Hello, today you're looking at a Lanco style 6 cubic foot air hover hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. It's been tested and checked out. We'll get that running for you in a second. Great condition. Between the legs here is 96 inches. Overall dimensions going to be 123 inches length, 35 inches width, 57 inches high. Does have PVC plumbing. Comes with 26 30mm gasketed plates. Cloths and gasketing can be added for an additional price. We'll get that going for you right now. If you're interested in this unit, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.